ek is dors sulle knyora ante sintotora maybe itabona aringi nkanu look yo namhlanje baleti vest hi I guess dors talking about vests. Can we talk about Mapele? I saw a video of him wearing a vest. Seriously, I've been gonna ringing. I know there's a trend right now, yeah, Casper no vest and aka Malakulo are ringing. And it's a business deal, that one. We know what's going to happen. There will be like big businesses that are going to invest in the fight, between aka and Casper no vest. I stock one of vana the beef varvambiri khala so ya Mapele na bin mahengani beef ni twin loko ata kankanelo kana valona swin'wana kuri gara awahlangani kahle I still don't know where does this beef come from kusukela kwinsu leswiwani because Mapele ajiki
hey wena nga kusuhi na bin mahengani lava mu byela ku ri Mapele the boss iri leswi famba ku byela vanhu ku ri yena gay hi la ku vona ku ri wena i n'wanuna wa straight na ku aka yindlo leswi ku tsandzeni ku aka mutisi a hi swi tivi wena i n'wanuna kumbe a n'wanuna na loko i ri n'wanuna amukela boxing match between wena na Mapele the boss ku laveka boxing match la hi ta vona ku n'wanuna i mani ka mina na wena loko mina no wina i ta nyika n'wana wa mina tuva loyi nga ta vuya ni n'wi cinca vito a va xihlovo wena loko wo wina i ta langa leswi lavaka swona siku rolwa i ta langa wena hi ku anlavi hembela xitshungu i ku mina ni ku nyike date yin'wana or busy ndhawu yo lwela i ta langa hi ku anlavi hembela xitshungu hi lahlekile ku ya kona kumbe hi lava hi ta lwela kola ka n'wamito a hi problem kun'wana na kun'wana hi leswo boxing match be komba vununa bya wena amukela nyimpi yaleyo ya wena na Mapele match walowo wa boxing hi leswo
I have a solution. Maybe let's take fight Mapele na Ben Mahengani if Ben Mahengani does accept the challenge, which I doubt he's gonna do. Maybe let's take that fight. He's like ka fight le ngata ba kone aka and Casper Nyovest, because we know there's big businesses there that have invested money. It's actually a business venture for them. They're actually making the beef, kuiba benefit somehow, which is good, It's one of the skills that the artists that carry attention to music could generate mali the beef, So Ben Mahengani na Mapele understood if Ben Mahengani is fighting Mapele, because I've never heard Ben Mahengani respond to Mapele. Kale. I've never heard Ben Mahengani respond. Ben Mahengani shi Mapele blue tick. Kale Mapele ka shi tsena shi posa the video. So shiri shi lava Ben Mahengani shi ngula ringi vona shi belela vest ka shi humesa tlapana. I doubt Ben is gonna respond, I just feel like it's unfair, man. I just feel like it's unfair. Benny, before Ben, guys, come on. Okay, van very mean ni mere la Ben karota logunta la kankadelo agigrekan. So, but maybe it's because Ben Mahengani is at the top. Usually, at the top, everyone will be sending things to you like alaku kutwiwa ataka wena because we're at the top. When everyone kakunza, So I'm not sure if Mapele is doing that, because Mapele maybe is looking for fame, because the color ka music and maybe relevance music may have died down a little bit. Probably is trying to come back, but he is known a lot ka genre Bulubedu house, Bolo house, and he's got a lot of people that follow him there. He's doing well. I mean, his songs are nice, and he's got a lot of following that side. And so I don't think Mapele may be doing this for fame's sake. I don't think that is actually the basis for whatever he's doing. I don't think it's because of fame. Because he posted ka Facebook the beat, Tashkaza. Probably like enter album or an EP, I don't know. So maybe kuna an album coming or something, we don't know. So, but I don't think it's because of fame, because he's already famous. Mapele is already famous. People know him. And Mapele is not doing this for money. I don't think he's doing it for money because look, Mapele built a house, he has money. So what could be the reason? Incini lexi xi endlaku ku Mapele a va na kwahi yikulu ka Benny Mayengani. Vo tovelela munyu ku humelele yini leswi ni nga swi tiveki, you know. I don't know, because I once had him in a show and I did ask him, but he made a reference ka swin'wana swa the girlfriend previously. I don't know, but I don't think he's doing it for fame. There must be something because Mapele is already famous. That, like I said, can maybe relevance here in a music Xitsonga has died down. I don't think it's something that he's worried about because market Xitsonga in Tsongo and there's not really a lot of money that is there that maybe you can say, you know. I just like the fact that now he posted on Facebook the beat, the beat, which is a good step, you know, because when acknowledge, people take people's songs, these kids make a lot of beats on the street, and then when the beat later, the producer, the producer, I mean, a lot of beats are stolen out here on the streets, you know, when do my beat, you know. People just take people's beats and then batanga on top of that and then recreate the same thing. That's why I'm music Gaza right now because people take someone's beat and then they play a new song on top of that beat. So I don't think there's creativity there, and I believe that if you go out and look for beats, that's when you're gonna tumbela hit. Tumbela hit Mapele la logo show the beat kahle. You know, because look, it's the producer hambana Makazi is winning because she's actually doing the same thing. Beyonce is doing the same thing. Shoma Josie does the same thing. You get beats from different beat makers, you know, that's what you do. So I don't know, maka beef ya Mapele na Benny yisukela queen and the queen. Is it the right thing to do right now? I just feel bad for the child, you know. The whole thing it's a little uncomfortable for me to even talk about it because the kid cannot respond to these things, you know, if it's true or not. So I just feel it's a little unfair for the child. I really feel it's a little unfair for the kid. It's not nice, man, to find out you're dead or someone saying your dad is not your dad. Or it's not a nice thing, you know. I mean, I don't want to talk about myself, but I have history with that kind of thing, and it's not a nice thing to hear something about on the street, someone saying, you know, this is not your dad, that is your dad, you know, this is not your dad. You know, guys, I just feel bad for the kid. I have to be honest with that. I feel bad for the kid, and I feel it's a little unfair. So Mapele garashinat makala. So I Steve intiso ko ba intiso na. So mara cause it's just and it's can't click magale yangwana, and I don't like entertaining this kind of things, you know, but I just feel like it's unfair, guys. Like I really think it's unfair. And Ben actually responding, man, which I think is a good idea to not respond, because look, Ben or respond a bit of weight, you know. But when he keeps quiet like that, maybe it will just die down. We don't know. But it looks like Mapele ashkenk kamakali ya kubifa Mayengani. And I don't think Benny is gonna accept the challenge. I've realized Benny Mayengani should respond votala. This other guy, the Caterpillar, Man of War, Ben Kotalo, you know, as much as respond. I just don't know how it feels, but it must be painful to beef someone and you know respond. And Benny she continued on that. The only beef that Benny is responding or entertaining, Mr. Post, you know, and the very Mr. Post there is very entertaining. It went a little bit personal, you know. Mara a beef Benny Mayengani I entertain. Maybe it's because those two are friends, you know. Because look, Ben will respond, we all know if Benny Mayengani responds to those things, she will sneak those things away. So it's a good decision what Benny Mayengani respond to Lesria. But it would be nice to actually get the side of the story here and indeed Mapele, is it true or not now? And also not so about the Caterpillar, you know, i va mani kambe va bifa ku beni mayingani va tele mani vanhu va bifa ku beni mayingani mara eka show recognize ya Mr Boss ntsena guys eka stores. So I don't know what you guys think about this videos tamapele. You know, is it a good thing to want Ben Mayingani in a ring? You know, me too work now na man look to fkati. But pleasure, you know, I should. Is it the uppercut and a jab? Is it? Ish, mina school cool. Me look munolo na mina ga dlemlele guys. I just go. Ningalo na tata baso. Tiga ko ini. So I just think ku bola tata baso, kumbe ku bola tata so. Kumbe ku bola tata so. Hey, I'm going to think in the line. I don't know. Yo, guys, so what do you guys think? Do you think Mapele is a point to invite Benny in a ring? And do you think Benny is going to accept the challenge? I doubt he's going to do. Kungaba kuri a good idea, maybe I accept that challenge. Lewa, if ba ilwa leka ba AKA na ba Caspanyo Vest, maybe ba pula vakukular mala so bar too. I don't know. What do you guys think? Hi, my play type this man. You don't wanna eat gym. You know, come on, I go gym. You don't wanna eat gym. Go stop for some mahal. Stop for some mahal. Let's talk man show. Guys, thank you very much for joining me on Kadula Gingirkani. Negremina, Nikanuk Ekes Dors. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you're not left behind. You're not left behind. So who is going to win between Ben Mayingani and Mapele? You know we'll see you, guys. Salute. Mengatiti meli. Nah, ada tebal.